First, we have imperative programming. This is the most basic style. Here you tell the computer how to do something step by step. It's like giving directions. Go straight, turn left, and then stop. Languages like C and Python support this. Next, procedural programming. This is a subset of imperative programming. It focuses on organizing code into reusable procedures or functions. Think of it as breaking down a recipe into small steps. Languages like C, Haskell, and Go are great for this. Now, Object-Oriented Programming, or OP. Here, everything revolves around objects. Objects are data combined with actions. For example, a car object might have properties like color and speed, and methods like drive or brake. Languages like Java, C++, and Python use OOP. Then comes functional programming. This paradigm focuses on what to do, not how to do it. Functions are treated as first-class citizens, meaning you can pass them around like variables. Languages like Haskell, Scala, and JavaScript support functional programming. Next, we have logic programming, where you define rules and let the computer solve problems for you. It's like saying, "Find me all animals that have wings and fly." The computer does the rest. Prolog is a famous language for this. It's great for AI and problem-solving tasks. Finally, declarative programming. This style focuses on what you want rather than how to do it. For example, in SQL, you just declare, "Select all rows where age is greater than 20, and the system figures out the details.